Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and in this video tutorial we will learn about the transitions tab. So let's get started. So the transitions are always applied to the slide, remember that. So when we insert some of the objects or any other thing on our slide, for example, if I insert a chart or a table or a shape or a text box. So if I want to apply the some kind of effects on the objects, remember that you have to go for the animations tab. But if you have observed in some of the presentations, when they go full screen, the slide has some effects. So all those effects on slides only, the transitions tab can be used there. So there are different kind of transitions. Now the transitions have different kind of names, and it create a different kind of effects when you run the PowerPoint presentation as a full screen. So basically it adds an effects which captures the audience attention as well. So for example, if I click on wipe, so the effect of wipe has been applied on my slide, not on the objects which are present on the slide. Remember that. Now each of the transition has different kind of effects as well. So for example, uh, the wipe has different kind of effects from right, from top, from left. So whatever effect I want to change, I can change from this menu, right? So by default it's from right. I don't want from right, I want from left. So you can see that now the wipe has been added from left effect. You can also add a sound whenever the slide change and the transition also appears. So there are some built-in sounds available, right? And there is also option called loop until next sound. So it means that it will keep on repeating until the next sound comes in. Okay, so there is a duration option as well. So basically when you make your presentation full screen, you have two choices. Either you run your presentation with a click of a mouse, or you every time press enter key from your keyboard to change the slide, or the other way is to make sure that you apply a duration. So after every 2 seconds, 3 seconds or a 10 seconds, the slide gets automatically changed. So in the advanced slide option, you can see that there is an option called on mouse click has been enabled. So instead of it, I can just check mark on after, and I can put the seconds here, right? So it will change automatically. So I have a choice. I can run the presentation manually on click of a mouse or enter key on the keyboard, or I can make it to the particular time period that it will change automatically. When you click on apply to all, the same duration and the settings of the timing group will be applied on all the slides available in your presentation, right? You can make each different transition to each of the different slide as well, or you can make it for apply to all as well, right? So there are a lot of transitions available. You can check it out. There are three categories: subtle, exciting, and dynamic content. So there are a lot of things available in this particular tab as well, and this is very exciting tab in terms of slides effects. So I hope you have understood and you will apply in your presentations as well. Thank you.